The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA and the Metro Manila Council considers issues concerning traffic violations of e-trike and e-bike riders a serious matter.
Pinakita po namin yung picture, may nagdi-drive na bata, minor de edad, merong mga nagtatraverse sa major highways, SLEX, nasa gitna, naghihintay ng stoplight. Yung mga ganun pong insidente ang iniiwasan natin dahil hindi lamang po ito nakakakos ng traffic, pwede rin pong magresulta sa aksidente.
In order to address this, the Metro Manila Council approved a resolution which will impose penalty to e-bike and e-trike riders who will traverse national roads. It is intended to be implemented by April this year after publication, public consultation, and information drive.
Kailangang lagyan ng ngipin itong prohibition na ito sa pamamagitan nga nitong MMDA or MMC resolution na nagtatala ng kaukulang penalty dito sa mga sasakyan na ito, e-trikes, e-bikes.
Based on the resolution, those driver who brings licenses will be fined 2,500 pesos, while those who do not bear driver's licenses, their vehicles will be impounded.
Bakit po natin kailangan impound? Kasi kanino po namin i-issue yung violation or yung citation ticket? Wala pong rehistro yung e-bike or e-trike at ganun din po kung walang lisensya. Kanino po namin ipapangalan yung penalty?
According to MMDA, national roads where e-bikes and e-trikes will be prohibited include C1 to C6 roads, radial roads, and other major roads in Metro Manila. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.